I'm really trying to whoop the whoop. Whoop the whoop. But y'all stay in my business. Like, get some business about yourself. Oh, stop calling my phone. Oh, don't play with your kids. Don't play with me.
It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl. Get at it. Get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree. Go, girl. Focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had in you. Fuck that nigga. Hey.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Diamond, and I'm back with another vlog. First of all, I am coming and I'm doing a YouTube haul, no, a Burlington haul or whatever. Me and my best friend, we just out shopping. So right now, what I got is my nephew. I got him some shorts and shirts right now, and also my daughter and my best friend. She got a basket, which I should got a basket too. But y'all, if y'all like these type of videos, make sure y'all hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and ring that bell for more post notifications with your girl. And I will be back because I don't want to get copyright from the music that's playing in the background. And you guys, I know I haven't been posting in a minute, but I've been getting things together. Your girl been working like crazy, and been working like crazy and trying to get everything on point, you feel me, or whatever. So right now, or whatever, I got 2 steamers, and then I got me and my daughter. Oh girl, these things stuck. All right, they stuck in a little hole. I got me this little BB shirt or whatever, and then my daughter and my nephew, I got him new shorts and stuff because summer is coming or whatever. And then just came out the Coach store, and what else store we came out to? Yeah, we came out the Michael Kors store, and I will show y'all that when we get back to the car or whatever. But for right now, we just doing a little Burlington shopping. My best friend, she gonna get stuff for her house. I'm gonna get stuff for the house and for the summer for the kids, and trying to see where I can find my son some stuff out in here also, because I can't leave him out. No sir, no ma'am, press him or whatever. So y'all stay tuned on this vlog, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment or whatever. I love y'all, and I miss all my beauty babes. So don't forget, follow us on this journey. Okay, these are cute. Little knock. Oh, I like them too. I don't know which one went. Black go with everything. I like these too. I'm gonna get them these too. Cause my son, y'all, he love him some flip flops. I ain't gonna lie, he like them. And it's the summertime, so he ain't playing no games. this Burlington, if y'all familiar with the Grapevine Mills, Dallas, Texas, this Burlington out here in Grapevine Mills, they have the best sales. And I'm trying to tell y'all, it's the biggest Burlington in Texas. That's what they say. It's literally big, like it's huge. Like the front door is way up there, and then you go all the way, and I forgot, the back door is like all the way back there. Like it's really huge in here. I'm gonna get out now. You wanna go? You wanna go ahead and scan this? Yep. Oh. There we go. Okay. Lordy. Yeah. Okay. You run this up? Yeah, I did. Okay. You have two right here, and then there's one item on here for $4.99. Yeah, it's for $2.99, not $4. Okay, so this one. The other tag? Oh, okay. I see what's going on. She scanned the wrong tag. Hold on. Don't do it like that. It was an accident. I'm hungry. I can eat a pig right now. Oh, I said 200. You went over $130. Is that everything? Yeah, that's everything. So guys, I'm about to end this vlog. We are finally done. My sister slash best friend had to go run and get the car because unfortunately we can't take the baskets out. And this is the total, if you can see it. That's the total or whatever. Basically just out and about, just doing a little house shopping and stuff. So this is our Burlington haul. I hope y'all like this video. Subscribe and comment. We love y'all. And you wanna look at Coach first? I'm gonna look at Michael Kors. Time for Coach, honey. Coach is here. Okay.
He was opening up today.
What's
You also get your first one?
so me and my sister just left the Coach store. Oh, that weed on the floor. Look at my sister. Turn, T, turn. Ayy. Yeah. She's so stupid. Oh, Lord. I'm there. Oh, see, you should never brought me in the polo store, bitch. I can't do weed. Ralph Lauren's, Miami. I need this for Miami. Okay, you guys. Last but least, this is what I got from the Coach store. So I got this bag here. Pull this one, the bag down. Which was $3.50, but it was on sale, so I got this one. Thank you. Put this back for me. And then, sorry about the dog in the background, you guys. And then I went to the Michael Kors store. And at Michael Kors, they had a sale also. So this is like $112 for this Michael Kors purse. So I got this Michael Kors purse. You look mad. Oh God. If she helped me. This Michael Kors purse. Y'all get the picture, but it's a longer string. But yeah, that's what I got. So you guys, this is the vlog or whatever. And that's the end. So peace out. I hope y'all love it or whatever. And that's the end of that.